Alright, so we're going to be testing out full self-driving FSD beta 10.69.2.4. Let's go ahead and see how it does. Alright, so I'm going to pull off into the road. Obviously, we'll have to wait till we get the steering wheel. Okay, so we still don't have the little steering wheel icon, but we should be getting it soon. Oh, actually, oops, I'm blind. We already had it a long time ago. Okay, so I'm letting it go. For some reason, I don't know why I was looking on the right. I don't know if it used to be on the right or if I'm just not thinking. I don't know. Anyways, let it do its thing. Alright, it's taking that pretty confidently. Doing pretty well. Let me turn the slide off. Sorry about that. Alright, it's doing pretty well. So good. Alright, slowing down a little bit there.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Jacqueline Road.
I hear some sirens going off. I don't know. Oh,
Now turn left onto Jacqueline Road.
Down. We have to turn left. I don't know why it's going so much to the right. I'm gonna keep it further over to the right here, and I'll send that, but that's not really too bad of an issue. All right, and then we'll start it up again, going to the left. And this little steering wheel actually knows which way the steering wheel's turned. You can actually see if I turn it, now it fixed it, and now it's straightened out more. Still knows it's slightly tilted over to the right. So this little icon actually knows which way the steering wheel is turned, and it shows that. Alright, so I turn it back on. I kind of want it to stay more to the left when the lane widens up like that, so that way if people want to turn right, they have room to go over there. I don't know if the car's gonna learn that, because that's not really a thing that is important. Alright, let's see if it stays in the left lane and then quickly moves over to the right. Yep. Go. Alright, it's doing that all on its own. We do have, oh, actually, we're going to keep going straight. Okay, that's right. Alright, so it's going to take the local roads to get there. Good. So far, so good. Alright, so the thing I stopped it for, it's not really a mistake. It's more just kind of more driver etiquette to let other drivers go by. I mean, if you stopped in the middle, people aren't going to honk at you.
In 500
be
feet,
fine with it,
turn
but
right onto North Park Victoria Drive.
Look, it went to the right thinking there was a new lane there, but there wasn't, so then it knew and it moved back over to the left. It did that on its own. Very
now
smooth.
Turn right onto North
It didn't
Park
feel like
Victoria
it panicked
Drive.
or anything. Okay, it's going to make a right turn here. Okay, good. Alright, this is right, and it merges over. Good. It saw a person walking and it slowed down a little bit extra. Okay, it even saw the bicyclist over there. Okay, leave this. It's set to follow distance 7, but this is like 3 car lengths distance, I guess, because we're going somewhat slow. I think for city driving, the follow distance doesn't really respond too well. I think it just drives however it wants. Anyways, car's slowing down. Alright, they're gonna turn left. Good. Alright. Very smooth. Doing really well. No cars, it's our turn, and go. Alright, it's going on its own, doing really well. It's actually doing very well. to go into that lane to the right, and then it changed its mind. I guess it realized this lane was also a straight lane. What is it signaling for? Stop it. Okay. Alright, it's doing pretty good. I don't know why it didn't stay in the right lane, because that lane was actually less cars. It would have been better. But it's fine. Not really an issue. Okay, slowing down again. Okay, no cars, go. Good job. Alright, it's doing really well. If there was like people in the back and they thought I was the one driving, they wouldn't know that it was the car driving itself. It feels very good, feels very natural. Alright. If I acted like I was driving, they would believe that I was driving. Alright, I don't know if it's gonna know this keep clear. No, it does not. But I mean, there is room, but it's not keeping it clear. So that's not good. I don't know if that will send to them, but yeah, that's not keeping clear, and you don't want to sit in there because you're not allowed to do that. So we'll move forward some. I had to manually push the pedal down to get it to move forward, but yeah, it was sitting halfway in the keep clear area, and I don't know if you can get ticketed from that. I'm assuming you could, but yeah. Okay, it's starting again on its own. Maybe I'll set the max speed to 40 because people like to drive fast. They're actually going pretty slow right now, because there's a car in front that's going slow, so everyone's stuck behind them. It's asking me to put a little pressure on the wheel. Right, they're turning left. Car slowed down a little bit and passes them. Wow, that's actually better. Like before, it would slow down a lot more, waiting for them to go. I think it's doing it better now than before. Okay, we're almost there. Almost at our destination, and then we'll see you guys on the way back.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Big Basin Drive.
I'm gonna know to slow down and turn left here.
Now
Okay.
turn left onto Big Basin Drive.
Okay, good. It's doing the left turn for me. I don't trust it going up driveways, but I'll let it go and see what happens. Alright, whoa.
Now
It's-
turn
oh.
right.
Okay, it sped up a lot to do that left turn. That was kind of... And then when I touched the wheel a little bit, it disengaged. So, sorry, no driveway test, I guess. I think it saw the other cars coming, and then it's sped up. What time? Oh, okay, 6:52. I
Now
thought it
your
was
destination
8:52.
is
I was
on the
like,
left.
"It's so late." Okay, anyways, I'm here. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys on the way back. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna head back. If you guys didn't know, you can swipe this over to navigate home. Alright. Let's go ahead and start the trip. We're gonna first back out of the parking spot. Again, I don't really trust it in parking lots and stuff. I'm gonna actually back out. Oh. There's another car that was wanting to go. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna back out. To my left. There's another truck coming. There we go. And let's go forward now. Alright. I don't know why it wants to go the freeway way. I'm gonna turn right because we can't even turn left anyways. Alright. And then we'll let the car drive itself. There we go. So far so good. Let me actually open this to full view. There you go. Then you can see what the car sees instead of looking at the map. See, it saw that car driving in. Okay. Here we go. Person's driving like crazy. That's the car that was like going through the intersection as I was going. Must really need to use the restroom. They're in a big hurry. Alright. Go. I'm gonna set this to 40. It slowed down when it saw the car on the left hitting their brakes. So far so good. To a complete stop and goes.
In 500 feet, turn left onto East Calaveras Boulevard. Now turn left onto East Calaveras
I wouldn't
Boulevard.
turn left, I'd keep going straight, so I'm gonna stop it. Because, I mean, that's the way the GPS wants to go, but I'm gonna keep going straight and turn left on Jacqueline. So once I pass this left turn, it should automatically correct itself. Okay, so this isn't a incorrect like move it was trying to do. It's just I don't want to go the way the GPS wants to go. So yeah, it's not really an issue with the car. All right, or with the autopilot. I'm gonna wipe this a little bit because it left like a windshield wiper mark here from the right wiper. Let it dry up a bit. Go again. Let it dry up a bit. Go again. Alright, should be good enough. Right, light's green. Again, we're gonna go straight. And then I'm gonna let the car do its thing again. No, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't know why it wants to turn in there. Where's the little camera thingy? Oh, they moved it all the way here. Anyways. Keep straight. We have a stop ahead. I don't know why it likes sometimes going into those merging lanes and stuff. And then it just merges back right away. I don't really want it to do that, it's not really an issue, but it's like, what's the point? Okay, there's a stop sign here. It's slowing down, good. Alright, coming to a complete stop. And here we go. So far, like, all the disengagements I did are like not really errors or anything, except for the left turn onto, like, going to the store.
In 500 feet, turn
like,
left onto
it
Jacqueline
took that
Road.
really fast. I don't know, I guess it does that just in case the other car decides to go.
Now
Right,
turn
you have
left
to
onto
turn
Jacqueline Road.
Good, it did see and it did correct and went left. Yeah, so that's the only one. It doesn't really do well in like driveway, parking lot kind of situations so far as, I mean, as far as I've seen. But yeah. Alright, go. Alright, staying in the left lane. And then it's going to the right. That's good. Wow, it's going all the way over to the right. And then it corrected itself to go back to the left. Okay. See, now it's doing it right. It's staying more to the left. And people can go into the right lane, or the right to go onto the freeway. But maybe that's because the lane up ahead is shifted so far over to the left. So if it was in the right, more to the right, it would crash into the traffic light pole. So maybe that's why it does it on this one. I don't know. Okay, it's actually somewhat detecting this as its own lane. Interesting. Alright, here we go again.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Hillview Drive.
Alright. We
Now
should
turn
technically
right
be
onto
turning right in
North
here.
Hillview Drive.
Oh, and it's doing it. Nice. Not enough. Oh yeah, okay, it's doing good. Alright, it did that really well. Nice. I go into the right lane, like, right as soon as the bike lane has that big hole there. But the car did a good job there. I think it doesn't know though, like it doesn't do, if cars are waiting at the light, it won't squeeze to the right of them. Right, but yeah, it's doing pretty well. I think we're good. Yeah, the car did really well. Only disengagements that
In
I did
500
were
feet, your
more just
destination
my
will be on
driving
the
preference,
right.
but it's not really an error or issue or anything. So it did a very good job. That would be counted as pretty much 0 disengagement, maybe 1 if you count the right when I got to the store.
Now your
Other
destination
than
is
that,
on the right.
pretty much 0 disengagements, but it always has an issue at the, like, what do you call, the start and stop points. Anyways, we're pretty much here. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Alright. Okay. Alright, see you all in the next one. Bye.